अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमने इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एज ऑफ जॉफरी चौसर को डिस्कस करेंगे। ये वो दौर है जहाँ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर ने अपनी असल पहचान बनानी शुरू की और हम देखेंगे कि चौसर को फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश पोइट्री क्यों कहा जाता है और उनकी फेमस बुक द कैंटरबरी टेल ने लिटरेचर पर क्या असर डाला। तो लेक्चर को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। एज ऑफ चौसर। The age of Chaucer refer to period in English literature during the 14th century, mainly the time of Geoffrey Chaucer. He is called the father of English poetry because he made English a strong literary language. Introduction. Why is it called the Age of Chaucer? Main feature of the Age of Chaucer. Historical background. Chaucer's contribution. Conclusion. Introduction. The Age of Chaucer is an important period in English literature. Before Chaucer, most literature was written in Latin and French. But Geoffrey Chaucer used Middle English and made it popular. His famous work, The Canterbury Tales, represents the society, culture, and people of his time. Why is it called the Age of Chaucer? It's called the Age of Chaucer because Chaucer dominated this period through his poetry and storytelling. His work gave a new directions to English literature. Main features of the Age of Chaucer. Realism. Chaucer presents real life in the Canterbury Tale. Pilgrims all shown as real human beings with strength and weaknesses. Use of Middle English. Chaucer wrote in Middle English instead of Latin or French, making literature understandable for common people. Humor and style. Chaucer used humor to criticize society, especially religious corruption and social hypocrisy. Human nature. He focused on human behavior, emotion, greed, love, pride, and kindness. Frame narrative. The Canterbury Tales is a frame story where different pilgrims tell different tales during a journey. Historical background. The Age of Chaucer was influenced by the Hundred Years' War between England and France, the Black Death, the rise of the middle class, church corruption. These events changed society and influenced literature. Chaucer's contribution. Father of English poetry, developed storytelling in English, introduced realism and characterizations, made English literature rich and strong. And gladly would he learn and gladly teach from the Canterbury Tale. Conclusion. The Age of Chaucer is the foundation of English literature. Geoffrey Chaucer changed the history of literature by giving English a represent place. His masterpiece, The Canterbury Tales, is still studied today. So student, this was our lecture on the age of Geoffrey Chaucer. आज हमने समझा कि चौसर का दौर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में इतना इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है और किस तरह द कैंटरबरी टेल ने इंग्लिश पोइट्री और स्टोरी टेलिंग को एक नई डायरेक्शन दी। अगर लेक्चर हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक नए लिटरेरी टॉपिक के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।